Brought to you by Saturn. With 5 new models, it's just something to rethink about. Saturn.
There's nothing for free, my dear. Absolutely nothing.
You know what is free? Healthcare for Native Americans. President Bush has threatened to veto Indian health services. Why should our government fund Indian health services?
I don't think it's a good idea.
Why?
I think we should figure out a way to offer health insurance that's affordable to everybody.
I don't think it's right because I pay $204 every 2 weeks on my insurance, but it don't cover nothing.
What would you say to someone who said they've suffered more than other Americans?
It was a long time ago.
See, now if you want to get historical, and you know that that they have been oppressed for years, they don't have the same opportunities that regular Americans have.
Do you think that Native Americans should have free health care?
Oh, no.
Why not?
Why should they? I don't.
Well, someone might say that they should have it because our relationship since the beginning of the United States has been one of taking things from them and that we should give something in return.
Well, I think we did a little bit, but we've certainly made up since.
They have the highest rates of diabetes. They have the highest cancer rates, the highest alcoholism rates, the highest emphysema rates.
Quit drinking, and then they won't have such a high alcoholic disease problem. They also have to take care of their babies, which they don't. If you've been out on the reservation, as I have, they don't take care of their houses or anything else.
So how long have you been working at the casino?
About 5 years now.
And do you work with a lot of Native American people?
Yeah, I'm Cherokee.
President Bush has threatened to veto Indian health services.
Yeah, I think it's all about the dollar. That's the reason why Bush will veto it, because that'll take more Indian hands out of the pocket of America.
It helps not just tribes such as the Indian, like the Pequots or the Mohegans, but a lot of tribes that are much less fortunate. You go to places where there isn't oil, diamonds, or gambling, and they're poverty-stricken.
There's nothing for free, my dear.
You know what is free? Healthcare for Native Americans.
Is it really? Who's paying for it?
The federal government is paying for it, but it's about to be vetoed by the president. Do you think he should veto it?
I don't think anybody should be eligible for subsidies that they didn't work for.
Well, they got more money than we got.
Why is that?
Because they got casinos. I don't know. I have no insurance. I'm 50 years old, and I have no insurance. So I should, you know, what am I going to say? Everybody should help everybody.
What if we took a moment to rethink our priorities? What if we rethink power and what it means to be strong? What if we rethink beauty and what it means to truly interact? At Saturn, we chose to rethink things, starting with every car we sell. With 5 totally new models, we chose to put the environment first, developing 2 fuel-efficient hybrids. We may just be a car company, but we're rethinking what a car company can be. Just something to rethink about.